Hey everybody, today I show you 5 web pages who allow you earn money online for free. Yes, you good to hear, for free. Today we'll be speak about web page who selling t-shirts and other clothes with some text. So yes, today we will be creating some t-shirt and we will be selling it. And I will show you how to do this for free. Yes, you don't need be a graphic designer. You can make simply text t-shirts. So in this video, I show you 5 web page who allow you to selling t-shirt and 1 page who allow you make some text design for free, and you can this design put in this web page. On the end of this movie, I show you some bonus method to earn additional money from this selling product. Okay, first web page is Zazu. It's very common web page when you can sell your design on t-shirts. And if you look, for example, for t-shirts and something popular and funny, for example, popular text and funny are text. So you can easily make in the same way your t-shirt. How to do this? Very simple. Go to tools called Canva and create your account, and here you can prepare for free design for your t-shirts. I show you in some previous video how to prepare in this tools YouTube thumbnails, and today we will be preparing here some t-shirt design. You can simply tap in search bar t-shirt and you can select some templates, or you can just push blank. I select blank, and here we will be preparing our design. To make similar t-shirt for this, for example, you need only text. So we go to the tab text and we select some free fonts, for example this, and we type in here my first t-shirt and here, for example, we can change size. This of course can be bigger, maybe change color. This can be white or whatever you need to choose something, but this is enough. And just simply download, select PNG, download, and be back for web page Zazu. When you create account here, you can simply go to create, start new design, and from here we will send, drag and drop our design. Like you see, we have product will be t-shirt, for example man. This is preview how this will be look on these t-shirts. So you can find your own text and put here. Now we can go to shop, click buy. Of course you don't need to buy, but I will go to shop, and here is a button sell it. You push this button selling, type title, what category, description, and all information about these t-shirts, like you see, and here is how many you earn money. For example, if this t-shirt will be a little, you want to get more commissions, you need to type here, for example, 15%. Yeah, and this will be $2. More percent from commissions, $6. It's $24 per t-shirts. After this, post it, and this is going to Zazzle. They accept you t-shirts, and you starting selling. Very simple, and you don't need something special here, and it's all for free. When somebody buys this t-shirt, you get your money, for example, for PayPal. And you can repeat the same process in every web page what you see today. Because when you prepare one design in Canva, you can this copy between a lot of shops to make a better opportunity to earn money in different sources. So this is this design, and you put this in Zazzle. We have another web page where you can sell your t-shirts. Is a web page the Riddles. Of course, all links I put in description, so you easily go there. And like you see, here we have a couple of examples how you can prepare simply t-shirts, and process is the same. You create an account, going to section create, putting your created design in Canva, what you put in Zazzle, and publish this t-shirt. And you repeat the same in next web page. What I recommend is Sunfrog. They have t-shirts in different with graphic, with texts, but like you see, this is text, 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 text. Here is text. Of course, there is some bicycle, but here is text. Here is text. So you can simply grab the design, put here, and this is another sources to sell your t-shirts. Next example is webpage Etsy. You can here in this same way selling t-shirts. So creating account, put your design, and start selling. Next example, web page where you can sell your design on t-shirts is Cafe Press, and story is the same. Creating account, put your design, start selling your t-shirts. Of course, you can prepare some jackets, some other some caps, some other gifts, clothes. So I show you only these t-shirts, how to make on t-shirts, but you can repeat this on other elements. Next good example is Amazon. Amazon is a big company who is selling t-shirts on demand. How it's working? It's work the same like previous web page. One difference is Amazon is international. So you creating account, upload your artwork, set a list price. They if somebody buy, they printing, they shipping this, and you earn money from commissions. One difference is between Amazon and previous web page is you need to request invitation because you can't register account simply like in previous web page. Here you need to get some requests. Okay, time for bonus section. You can earn extra money or selling your t-shirts, your clothes, your gadgets, whatever you will be selling on this web page. You can go to every page and start refer a friends or using referral program. You get every time some commissions. Zazzle, for example. So here is some information how it's working. When you go to web page the Riddles, you see refer a friend section. So we can go here, and like you see, you get $10 when you refer a friend. Now we are on Etsy webpage, and they have affiliate program. You can simply join to this program and get some additional commissions from refer people to this webpage to buy. And the same is on Cafe Press affiliate program. So you can simply join to this program and starting refer people to buying this t-shirt, and you get some additional commissions. Why I'm speaking about affiliate program? Because when you're creating your design and your t-shirt with text, for example, you can sell it. You have simply way to sell it on this web page. Of course, you can make send link to your friends, and your friends you can simply buy this t-shirt on this web page, or you can use social networks to refer. Every time when you want to send a link to your t-shirt for your friends on social networks, for example, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, you can create affiliate link, and when somebody click on this link and buy this t-shirt, you get extra commissions. So if you calculate, you get commissions from sell your product, and you get extra money from affiliate program for selling. So you have, for example, double commissions from selling one t-shirts. It's very nice choice if you have little time, and make combination with t-shirt selling on web page and sending this t-shirts to social networks to share this design with your friends, and if they buy, you have get extra money from commissions. Of course, you can simply create some advertisement in, for example, Facebook ads, and put your design and put your and put affiliate link to your t-shirt, and start selling. If somebody buy your t-shirt on Facebook, you get commission from selling t-shirt and commission from a referral program. I hope you liked this video, so please let some thumbs up, and don't forget subscribe my channel to not miss any new video.